Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds 2. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac, MacBook, or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is let's put the buds into pairing mode. Let me open this up. Now we'll know that it's in pairing mode if both the lights here is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, I get a solid blue light here, and then the lights are going to go off. The reason is because I'm connected to a different device. So for myself, I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. For me to manually put this in pairing mode, I'm just going to use one of the earbuds. It doesn't matter the left or right one. I'm just going to grab the right one here. I'm going to pull it out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until both the lights here blink blue. So let's try this. Okay, ready? Take it out. And we're going to tap, tap and hold. Now just keep holding for like 10 seconds or wait until it starts blinking blue on both of them. Okay, there we go. I got it the first time. Sometimes I got to do it twice. But anyway, so I'm just going to leave that here. They're both blinking now. Now let's shoot over to our MacBook here. You want to go to the settings, go to the Apple logo, top left-hand side. Just select that. And then go to System Settings. And then from here, we're going to go to Bluetooth right there. And now make sure that Bluetooth is turned on right there. And now you can see this spinny thing down here is searching for device in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up under here under nearby devices. And it already showed up the JBL Tune Buds, and you can see it's still in pairing mode. So we found it there. Let me go ahead and connect. And right there, we're connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues connecting or can't put this in pairing mode or whatnot, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link for that, in the description for that link.